Before you purchase a rooftop tent for your vehicle, we encourage you to do your research to make sure you're getting the best value for money. At Full Drive Supacentre, we only offer high quality products at affordable prices. First, make sure the rooftop tents you're looking at include an annex in the price. The Adventure Kings Tourer includes an annex with waterproof bucket floor at no extra cost. Compare the quality of the canvas. Adventure Kings Tourer rooftop tents use 320 GSM polycotton canvas, plus it has a separate tropical roof to keep you cooler in hot weather and add an extra layer of waterproofing. Ensure that the rooftop tent uses alloy knuckles for the poles that support the tent roof. These are subjected to high stress and need to be strong enough to take on storms and even just daily use. Next, make sure the mattress is thick and comfortable. Adventure Kings rooftop tents use a 75mm high density open cell foam mattress that supports your body and allows air to circulate so it regulates your body temperature. Plus in the Tourer, it's longer than a king bed and wider than a double. In the annex, make sure there's a waterproof bucket floor and large windows for ventilation. Some rooftop tents have such small windows they barely catch the breeze. Finally, look at the hardware and fasteners. Make sure they're made using UV stable materials so they don't degrade in the sun. Adventure Kings rooftop tents don't use elastic. Instead, they've been replaced with bound polycotton canvas, adding strength and eliminating premature degradation. But most of all, make sure your rooftop tent is tried, tested and trusted by other outdoor enthusiasts. We sell hundreds every week because people have come to depend on our quality, features and unbeatable value and prices. There are hundreds of reviews online which are testament to their great build, durability and the best value. We guarantee you'll see more Adventure Kings rooftop tents in campsites across the country than any other brand. You can trust Adventure Kings for quality products at an affordable price.